Hi everyone, my name is Rahul Alcantha. I'm from Provident Housing Limited. So in this video today I will be taking you through the complete presentation of our premium affordable project Provident Park Square. So first we will start off with the location video, which is one of the most important elements of real estate. Followed by that we will take you through the scale model and the master plan, which will give you a holistic view of the complete development of the project. Post that we will be taking you through the experience center, which showcases the materials used for construction and the technology of construction. After that we will be showing you the model flat. Location. So where is Park Square located?
Park Square is located in Judicial Layout, that's off Kanakpura Road. Judicial Layout is very neat, clean and has a reputation for beautiful layouts and broad roads. Adding on to that, it carries the old charm of Bangalore and has a rich heritage for greenery. Most of the people living here are retired judicial members. Judicial Layout also has a beautiful lake which is just outside the project. Just behind the lake there is a beautiful BBMP park. This park is again just outside the project. It's about 200 meters. Living in Judicial Layout is nothing short of living in any of the best layouts in Bangalore. Judicial Layout is a very beautiful area. So how do we get here? So it's about 10 to 12 minutes from the Banshankari temple. You proceed straight towards Kanakpura. You cross Konankunte Cross. Followed by that you will reach Talagatpura metro station. From Talagatpura metro station you need to head straight towards Kanakpura Road. As you continue straight on the Kanakpura main road, towards your right hand side you will find Jnanasvikar School. That's where you need to take a left and enter into Judicial Layout. From this point to the project it's about 800 meters. Walking enthusiasts can take a quick short walk to the metro station. From the project the metro station is about 1.1 kilometer and you can reach within 10 minutes. As you follow these broad roads, on the left hand side you will find the BMTC bus stop. Yes, the BMTC bus stop is right next to the project. On the left hand side you will find the construction work happening and the sales office. So that's the main entry to the project, and that's how you reach Provident Park Square. To start off with your daily needs, you have a gourmet supermarket right on the main road of Judicial Layout. You also have D-Mart, which is just 5 minutes away. Then you have Brand Factory. Then you have Metro, which is just another 10 minutes away from the project. Coming to hospitals, you have Shankar Super Speciality Hospital, that's for any emergency. This is just 5 minutes away from the project. Then you have Cura Hospital, that is near Konankunte Cross. This is another 7 to 8 minutes away from the project. Hospitals are nothing to be short of in South Bangalore, especially in Banagatta Road and Kanakpura Road. You have Fortis, Apollo and BGS as well, within close proximity to Provident Park Square. Moving on to the education institution, you have KSIT College bang on the main road of Kanakpura Road. This is just another 6 to 7 minutes away from the project. You have Jnanasvikar School. Just behind the project in the rear entrance we have Kumarans International School. A quick 10-minute drive through Turahalli Forest, you'll also find Rashtrotana. With the nice road being just 2.5 kilometers, you can reach Mysore Road, Magadi Road or Tumkur Road in just in a jiffy of about 10 minutes. Also giving you access to major tech parks like Global Village, where you have Accenture, Mindtree, and also gives you access to Electronic City or Sur Road. Electronic City is a 20-minute drive from Provident Park Square. Considering the prime traffic of Bangalore, being closer to Nice Road would soon be considered as one of the most fortunate decisions you could have ever made. You also have the Kalyani Magnum Tech Park, which is just 20 minutes away from Provident Park Square. Moving on to leisure, you have Vega City Mall, that's 15 minutes away. You also have the JP Nagar Central Mall, that's 15 minutes away. You have Mantri Mall that is upcoming and Falcon City Mall that's upcoming, and they are just 5 minutes away from the project. Alright, so soon with the metro lines up and running, Provident Park Square will ideally be the location for any home buyer in South Bangalore.
Let's get started with the scale model and the master plan.
Provident Park Square is a 20-acre integrated lifestyle district with restaurant, retail and residence. It's a mini city by itself. As you enter the project, you'll have a micro mall which comprises of a shopping mall, grocery, ATM, saloon and banquet hall. Almost all your basic needs are sorted with this. As you move into the residential development, the structure is a basement, ground plus 14 floors with basement and ground level car parks. There are about 6 towers in the 20-acre land, which gives about 80% of open space in the project, and there's a huge amount of ventilation, light, air, and the project is very rich in greenery. The project has about 36 plus amenities, and there's a grand central boulevard right in the middle of the project, which has a beautiful swimming pool, palm court, dry deck fountain, barbecue deck, which is nothing short of leisure. Not just that, the project has 4 multi-purpose courts, kids play area, chess court. One of the most unique amenity here is the forest trail that's about 40 feet wide and 200 meters in length. You'll actually feel like you're walking in Lal Bagh or Cubbon Park over here. It's so serene and beautiful. This also has a long jump area, gazebo and an old folks corner. Now it's playtime for kids and for the kids inside you. So we have outdoor amenities such as cricket practicing pitch, archery range, chess court, multi-purpose court number 1 and 2, skating rink, wall climbing. Just near the central boulevard, right in the middle of the project, we have a clubhouse that's approximately about 8,000 square feet, housing most of the indoor amenities. Not just that, we have something unique here, that's a cultural clubhouse. In the cultural clubhouse, if let's say your kid wants to become a musician, you know, you can just, it can meet along with its buddies and start jamming and creating a music session. Amenities are not just for humans, we also care about the animals. So this beautiful paw park at the rear side of the project. Alright, so to sum it up, this is a majestic project with great views outside, premium brands inside, and just rich in greenery and open space. Moving on to the floor plan, Provident Park Square has 5 types of units. 1 BHK, 2 BHK Comfort, 2 BHK Grand, 3 BHK Comfort and 3 Grand. The 1 BHK is 525 square feet saleable area with living, dining, bedroom, kitchen and also a utility. You have the 2 BHK Comfort, that's 700 square feet saleable area with a living, dining, kitchen, utility, 1 bedroom and a study. Just perfect for a nuclear family. The 2 BHK Grand is 900 SFT saleable area with a living, dining, kitchen, utility, balcony, 2 bed, 1 with attached and 1 with a common toilet. The 3 BHK Comfort is 1100 SFT saleable area. This has a living, dining, kitchen with a utility, balcony, 3 bedrooms, 1 with attached and the other 2 share a common toilet. The 3 BHK Comfort is very high in efficiency, and anybody who is looking for a 2 BHK should consider this 3 BHK Comfort. The 3 bed Grand is 1300 square feet saleable area. It has a living, dining, balcony, kitchen with utility, 3 bedroom, 2 with attached and 1 common toilet. Typically every floor has 8 apartments with 2 lifts and 2 staircases.
So now we are at the Experience Center. Here we will be showcasing you the materials used for construction, what you pay for, what goes into your apartment, and also showcasing the technology of construction.
So this is precast form of construction, which means the entire structure is steel reinforced and concrete, which doesn't need plastering, unlike the block structure, which saves a lot of time. So these solid slabs and walls are manufactured and assembled at the site. So once the slab is mounted, the tiles are casted. So the sanitary and the water pipes are of the brands called Astral and Prince. These pipes are neatly tucked inside the ceiling. The electric layout in a precast wall is preconceived with designated slots, saving a lot of time in chipping and plastering, and most importantly, it avoids leakage and seepage. So the doors are 4-layer engineered wood, which does not easily expand and contract during summer and winter. The UPVC balcony and the window doors are of a brand called LGOS. It's a 2-way slider. These are the main doors, and these are again engineered wood. The roofs of every tower have a special 3-layer protection to avoid any leakage or seepage, also allowing the water to drain out with a slope. The plumbing layout of every washroom is neatly concealed, and the washroom floors are taken special care of with a 4-layer polymatic protection, which is very essential to avoid any chance of leakage or seepage. Once the walls are assembled, a layer of adhesive is applied and the tiles are casted in the washroom. The parking lot in the basement and the ground floor have a fire sprinkler, reflector and the number of the parking slot.
Okay, so now this is one of the most important aspects of the project. If you thought for 50-60 lakhs you cannot have quality finish, you're wrong. So these are the global brands that go into your Provident house. So we have door locks by Yale, we have elevators by Schindler, we have Kajaria tiles, we have sanitary ware by American Standard, we have CP fittings by Grohe, which is one of the most premium brands, and wall paints by Berger and Schneider switches. So now we will be taking you through the model flat. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-toilet. Let's go. So as we speak, the construction is 50% complete. The structure of few towers are complete. The construction schedule is on track. So this is undoubtedly one of the best projects that you can find in South Bangalore, with a proximity of 1 kilometer from the metro station, with the approach road that is 100 feet broad, with global brands that go into your house, with 36 plus amenities. At this price point, this is one of the best projects to buy in Bangalore. If you missed it, this is the right time to buy. Contact your relationship managers, they will guide you. All the best in buying your dream home. Thank you so much.